Are you curious about the best practices for efficient garden maintenance? It's a topic of great importance for both green thumb rookies and seasoned horticulturists. We'll be exploring 7 key tips to keep your garden flourishing. So stay tuned as we delve into these top 7 tips for maintaining a thriving garden. Starting with tip number 7, regular watering. It's crucial for plant health. Adjust based on plant type, season, and time of day. Remember, regular watering is key to a thriving garden. Moving on to tip number 6, proper pruning. Pruning enhances plant health and beauty. Time it right, use sharp tools. Proper pruning can make a world of difference in your garden. Tip number 5, pay attention to your soil quality. A healthy garden thrives on nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Good soil quality is the foundation of a successful garden. Tip number 4, don't forget about pest control. Combat common garden pests with eco-friendly methods for a flourishing, healthy garden. Effective pest control is crucial to maintaining a healthy garden. Moving to tip number 3, embrace plant diversity. Having an array of plants improves soil health and attracts beneficial insects. Diversity in your garden can lead to a healthier and more vibrant environment. Tip number 2, provide seasonal care. As seasons shift, your garden's needs change. Adapt care routines to assure vitality. Seasonal care is vital to keep your garden flourishing throughout the year. And finally, our top tip for efficient garden maintenance, regular checkups. Vigilance in spotting disease or pests early wards off larger issues. Regular checkups can save you a lot of trouble down the line. And there you have it, our top 7 tips for efficient garden maintenance. From regular watering to seasonal care, each plays a crucial role in nurturing a thriving garden. If you enjoyed this video and found our tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening advice. Happy gardening!